Hello everyone, it's Dawn here from Dawn's Inspirations. I have been teasing you with pictures on my social media as to what I was making, which was one of my Dawn's Fill Your Own advent calendars. So this time I've used the Celebr8 Merry and Bright kit, okay, for the decoration, and I think you will agree the colour palette is absolutely gorgeous. And I've 3D'd all this up, all these little houses. We've got the wooden elements as well on here that I've just inked over, and the ink I've used, the colour I've used is that, if anybody asks, that's Frozen Lake from Harmony Spectrum Noir. So I've used glossy accents here as well, just for like little elements to show. I've used stickles to show the frosting. So that is the front of the box. On the hinge, again, I've kept that plain because I thought this is a good place to put, say, Dawn's Advent. But I've again done the little houses. I've done those 3D. Okay, if I tilt that behind there, you can see that's all 3D again, so it matches. But then on the back, I've just got the paper and stuck that down nice and flat. So round the edge I've got all those beautiful pattern papers going on, ribbon from the kit as well, so everything's from the kit. If I open this up, there is our advent. So you've got 24 boxes. I've used scraps of paper down the middle of the spine, and you know me, the boxes are all a good size. That is why I designed it like I did. So they take a good size chocolate. They take a good fun size chocolate that you can get here in the UK. But you may wish to fill them with any gifts. Your choice. You can have the boxes opening down. You can have them opening up. I've used Pink Frog True Ivory for this kit, so Pink Frog 12 by 12 card is perfect for this because it's sturdy enough. The closures, there's no magnets, there's no ribbons, nothing. If you do your scoring and you're cutting correctly, they will fit nice and snug. That is the good thing about them. Whichever one you open, they always fit nice and snug. I've done some little decoration around the edge as well. So I've just added little cutter parts from the kit as well, just to add little accents on. I didn't use separate numbers on this one. The kit actually came with a sheet of numbers. So I thought, rather than die cutting numbers this time, I'm going to actually use the numbers, and then I've just glossy accented over the top. But it's all decorated all the way round. You can decorate yours as much as you really want to. The choice is entirely yours. I mean, I went to town with the pattern papers on this, but you don't have to. You've seen other ones I've shown you where I've just decorated the front and back and the tops of the boxes. So the choice is yours. So this is my Dawn's Fill Your Own Advent Calendar. I'll leave the link below to the online workshop. So if you want to sign up for the online workshop, it's a very reasonable price. And once you buy my online workshop, it's yours to keep forever. You can come back to it next year, next month, whenever you want, it's there. So that is the nice thing about them. I will say they are addictive. I made loads of these last year and I'm starting on this year's now. So I've got time to get the ones I want to get made this year to pass on to people. So I hope you've enjoyed it. My little sneaky peeks to you. So I'm Dawn McPhee from Dawn's Inspirations. Thank you for watching and see you again soon. Bye for now.